This is how to send photos as documents in WhatsApp. Sending photos as documents allows you maintain image quality. This is Recommendally, your home for friendly guides. Do check out our playlist for a range of diverse, interesting subjects. Now, let's get straight into our video. First, we are going to open up WhatsApp. We can either scroll down to locate our contact or do a search like I'm doing right now. I'm going to search for my contact, and there is my contact. I'm going to click on the contact, and then I'm going to scroll down and click on the attachment button, and then I'm going to click document, and then I'm going to click choose from gallery, where I will have access to my photographs, and they are in different albums. I can open any of the album like I'm doing now, and then I can select the picture that I want, and then I can just either send it or give it a caption to make it easy for the recipient to know the kind of image that you sent. Okay, so I'm typing girl, and then I'm going to hit the good button, and then I'm going to click send. So there we have our image that has been sent as a document, which is going to allow you maintain the quality of your image. And there you have it. This is Recommendally, your home for friendly guides. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to share the love, and have a beautiful day.